These are the top 11 things you need to know about recovery and insurance, because 10 just isn't enough.
Yes, it actually does. So the first way to find out if your insurance actually covers rehab is calling your insurance directly. That can tell you what your out-of-network benefits look like. Specifically, you'd want to check for substance abuse because insurance does encompass medical, mental health, a whole broad range of facilities that are covered in the insurance spectrum. They'll give you the best answer. You can also look and see and really head it off at the pass at HMO, PPO, EPO, or POS insurance. PPO insurance, that's going to give you the most options to choose the facility that you want to choose. The ones that are relegated to just in-network facilities would be your HMO, your EPO, and your POS. Those are not going to, those you have to stay in network, which unfortunately Clean is not currently in network.
If you decide to go to treatment at one of our facilities that costs more than your policy covers, you'll simply be paying the difference for treatment.
Absolutely, you can. We can try and help you with a payment plan if necessary. And all our facilities in Long Beach, Washington, in Oregon, and in Los Angeles have scholarships that come up. Inpatient will detox you, will stabilize you, then we'll get you into our program, and you will live with us while you're in treatment. Outpatient is, intensive outpatient is 3 hours a day, 5 days a week. And you live at home or you live in a sober living, you live at your own place. You're able to work. You will get tested for drugs because that's insurance for you. But the main difference is you're not living in a treatment facility.
So you want to go to a place that's covered by your insurance because everything there is 100% covered. You'll be having group therapy every day, and just the benefits are more available to you. It's more of an individualized treatment rather than going somewhere where there's hundreds of people.
It seems complicated, but it's really simple, so let me break it down. So insurance coverage actually varies based on state and region. The one thing I would recommend doing for this one, because all individual policies, I like to say they're like DNA, they're all unique, is to call our treatment advisors and reach out to them so we can actually vet the insurance and see exactly what your options are before you make the next step. 3 words: quality of care.
A PPO policy absolutely will pay for this. And while it's a luxury rehab and it's very nice, and it's pet friendly, which I'd like to mention, you can bring your dog. The care is really specific to you and your needs, totally non-judgmental. And we will work with you on what it is you have to accomplish.
That's a really individualized question.
The length of time you're going to stay in treatment usually ranges between 30 and 90 days. We have 30-day programs, 60-day programs, 90-day programs. And we will advocate for the client with their insurance company to make sure they get all the time they need.
That doesn't matter, you can still get treatment.
Not a problem. We don't exclude anyone. We never use the word no. We can work with you in other ways too. We offer scholarships regularly, and we as well offer payment plans to help you get in there. And if none of these options work for you, we will still work with you and help you find a referral for you.
Insurance covers relapse. So we know not everyone's perfect. It happens. It happened to me. I relapsed multiple times, but often PPO insurances do cover multiple stays. And insurance premiums won't go up. You can go into treatment, feel safe with that. It is illegal for them to raise insurance premiums because you went into a substance abuse treatment facility.
When we look into an insurance plan before we accept you in, we make sure that you have coverage for all levels of all of our continuum of care. We make sure that you're good for residential and detox, and then that you can come to our IOP after, so you can stay with us as long as possible to get all the help you need. And then we also offer our alumni meetings every week for you to come back and check in with all the people that you've been with.
Thank you guys for watching the 11 things about recovery and insurance. If you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to call or text the number at the end of the video.